Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the TonnoFold soft tri-fold cover from Tonno on this 2017 Ford Raptor. Now this is the same installation on most trucks and it requires no tools. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel to keep up to date with our latest material. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now this is how the cover comes out of the box. What we're going to do is we're going to lift it up and set it up onto the bed caps. You'll notice you got a couple of clips attached to straps. Those clips need to be facing towards the cab of the truck. Once we get it up here, we're going to go ahead and center it and bring it all the way over top of the bulkhead. Once it's nice and centered side to side and brought up to the front, we're going to undo the clips and then fold it to the back very gently. Once we get to the back, we're going to straighten it up if it needs to be straightened. Make sure it's even side to side, and then very gently again, go ahead and fold it to the cab. Now we're being gentle with this because we've already set the alignment of the cover and we don't want it to shift around. Now here I can go underneath and start locking down the clamps. Okay, now this is our cab side clamp assembly. It's up in the storage position right now, so we're going to unclip it from there to where it rotates down. Now you notice you got a jaw portion and then you've got a handle. What you're going to do is you're going to slide that jaw portion where it goes underneath the bed cap and then bring that jaw up to the bed cap as you turn the handle. As you turn that handle, you got a threaded shaft that handle is going to go up and then tighten down the jaw to the bed cap. We're just going to get it nice and snug. Don't over tighten it. Once we get it tightened down, go ahead and repeat the same process on the opposite side. Okay, we went ahead and closed the cover to the tailgate of the truck. Now we're going to reach up and grab the rear clamp assembly and draw that down just like we did the front. Now here's the jaw on this cover. If you notice, it does not come to the bottom of the bed cap. So again, we've got a threaded shaft. We're going to rotate that clamp assembly until that jaw raises up to the level of the bed cap, where it clears just underneath the bed cap. All right, once it's under the bed cap, we can rotate the handle down. That raises the jaw up and locks it into place. Do the same thing for the passenger side. Well, if you found that to be useful, give us a like and make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our new projects and builds. And to be notified every time we release new content, make sure